Welcome to all pre-pick tutorials. Today I am going to show you how to create vector black and white wooden texture effect background design in Adobe Illustrator, and please watch entire video. Draw a horizontal shape, fill color black and outline none. Go to effect menu and sketch and graphic pen. Stroke length 15 and light dark balance 50 and stroke direction vertical. Go to object menu and expand appearance. Image trace from main panel. Click on image trace panel. Mode black and white. Threshold 128. Paths 15%. Corners 15%. Noise 1 pixel. Click on Expand or convert tracing object into paths. Select white color shapes with the Magic Wand tool. Shortcut Y. Cut Ctrl X. Swap fill to outline stroke. Shift X. Stroke weight 0.75 point. You can use 12 tool. Press on Save for effect. You can give wooden effect with the 12 tool. Finally, your black and white wooden texture background design is now ready. Please follow step by step, and it's easy way to create texture design in Adobe Illustrator.